We are in section 4.3 on page 17. We are going to get the example started and then finish this together in class. So this says find the local maximum and minimum values, intervals of increasing and decreasing, intervals of concavity, and inflection points of f of x equals. So there's a lot that we have to do. This is requiring us to find a first and a second derivative. So let's go ahead and find the first derivative of my function. If it helps, rewrite the function as x times 4 minus x to the 1/2 power. So if we find the first derivative, we have to use the product rule and the chain rule. So we have the first term times the derivative of the second, which is going to be 1/2, 4 times negative x to the negative 1/2 power, times the derivative of the inside, which is going to be negative 1, plus our second term, times the derivative of the first. The derivative of the first is just 1. From here, I'm going to go ahead and simplify this. I am able to factor out f 4 minus x, and my exponent that is the smallest is a negative 1/2. So when I do that, I'll be left over with negative 1/2 x plus 4 minus x to the first power. And so you can check this by distributing through. And you can see if you arrive at the same thing. You can continuously simplify this. Go ahead and we will have, this is going to become negative 1/2 x minus x. So we have 4 minus x to the negative 1/2. And even if you wanted to, you can pull a fraction of 2 out, but we'll keep that like this. So we'll say we have negative 3 over 2x plus 4. And I am going to simplify this. This is going to move to the denominator. And I'll put a radical around it. Times, and then this is negative 3 over 2 x plus 4. Again, I have a fraction and a fraction, and I can clean that up by multiplying both the top and the bottom by 2. And so if I do that, I'm going to have 2 times negative 3x plus 4 all over